So you might be having an issue with your AirPods where for some reason the battery life is just severely uneven. So what this basically means is maybe your one AirPod on the left has really good battery life and you put it in your ear and it's still at 100%, or maybe you check your phone, it's at 100%. But for some reason the one on the right is at 30% or something like that. Now the reason why this happens is because you are ending up probably using one AirPod way more than the other one. So the first thing I would recommend doing is making sure that if you're using one AirPod more than the other one, it's totally normal that one AirPod will end up having less battery life than the other one. However, let's say you put both AirPods side by side and you put them in charge overnight and you came back to them and they're still uneven. Maybe one is at 100%, one is at 60%. Well, depending on how long it takes to charge, again, if you use one more than the other one is going to take a longer to charge up than the other one. And if you just recently used them and you put them back in, that is one thing to keep in mind. Now on top of that, you will want to take a good close look to the AirPod and make sure that it's even connecting properly to your AirPods case. So what I would recommend doing is taking a look at around the AirPod, just making sure everything looks good, cleaning out anything that kind of has any issues within it, but also making your way to the AirPods case and making sure inside of the case itself, there are no issues present in this specific case as well. There can be a lot of issues where sometimes the case here can have some issues. So getting like a cotton swab or something like that, non-wet, non-metallic, and kind of cleaning out the inside of this case can actually help to kind of make sure that there's a secure connection when you're plugging this into the bottom of this port. Now on top of that, you want to make sure that this case is also charged up. If your AirPods case is dead, then it doesn't really matter because it's not going to charge up any of these AirPods anyway. So you want to make sure your AirPods case is charged up properly, and that should end up fixing the situation as well. Now, if that still doesn't fix it, another thing I would recommend doing is going through and either resetting your AirPods by connecting your AirPods straight, holding the case and everything, holding down on the button in the back until your white light on the front starts blinking, and repair your specific AirPods to your iPhone or Android, whatever device you have. And you also want to try either connecting your device, and you also want to see if there's any updates available for your AirPods. If you have an iPhone or iPad, you can actually update your AirPods via the software. So that is probably something else I'd recommend doing as well. So those are pretty much the main things to do. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.